actively seeking and leveraging the momentum of accumulation to support the development of the industry, continuously improving and transforming with technology, supporting the backbone of industry. Seiko Quality, Grand Sealing. Since the development of the Haishu Development Heat Treatment Plant in Ningbo in 1988, we have been overcoming difficulties and constantly striving for practical progress over the past 35 years since its establishment. Etone has inherited the craftsmanship of 3 generations and has become one of the most influential and powerful forging equipment manufacturing enterprises in China. Our unwavering pursuit and driving force for progress are professional casting quality, innovation being the first step, integrity being the foundation of a century, and faster service being the top priority. Professional focus, forge ahead. On June 7, 2023,
Zhejiang Etone Precision Machine Company Limited
officially launched a new base in Yingzhou Economic Development Zone. The base covers an area of 39,500 square meters with a total investment of over 400 million yuan and has the ability to produce 1,500 advanced machine tools annually. The company mainly produces high-precision punching machines of various specifications ranging from 15 tons to 1,000 tons. The automated production line developed by the company has fully reached the international advanced level and has fully completed the construction of enterprise information engineering in the series of products. Models such as APJ, APZ, and APH have advantages such as high precision and stability. APC, APD, APE, APF, STD, and other products are exported to domestic and foreign enterprises. The APJ and APH series of 60 to 550 ton motor stator and rotor stamping automation production lines have a leading market share in the industry in China. Among them, the APJ series has also entered the Ningbo Key Industrial New Products and Ningbo Key Independent Innovation Product Catalog. The hyperbolic excess precision steel frame punch has achieved automated assembly line production, utilizing the core technology mastered in the field of battery structural component processing to help customers improve their core competitiveness. Takeoff, win together. The company adheres to the implementation of global layout strategy and has completed strategic deployments to more than 30 countries and regions such as Europe, Central America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. It has formed long-term strategic partnerships with multiple listed companies and industry leaders. As a specialized, refined, and innovative small giant enterprise,